Guys, what is up? So I just woke up. I'm about to make my dog her breakfast, and then I'm gonna make me some breakfast. But I just wanted to come on here to say, yes, it's been a while. I'm 35 weeks today. It's been rough. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for breakfast today. We're gonna try to vlog some more. Okay, so like I said, I just woke up. So I guess I'll just update you guys on the baby bump and what it looks like. It's getting big. Okay, so we have breakfast today. We have oatmeal, some peanut butter. I think it's Peter Pan peanut butter, some sugar-free jelly, and then a banana. It's not a full banana, but it's almost a full banana. And so yeah, trying to eat a little healthier for the baby. And then I just heated up some water, and I'm going to put in one of these raspberry leaf teas because I am just ready to have this baby. And then I have my prenatal and my fish oil right here. Okay, so I'm over here on the recliner. I have my food right here. I'm gonna watch some TV, get this heating pad going because my back hurts a little bit. But yeah, so I've been feeling pretty crappy lately. That's why I haven't really done anything. I haven't even been able to go to the gym. I've been walking though. I need to get my lashes done. So I'm just gonna be taking you through the weeks from here until the baby is born. And we have our lovely Ruby here, who is so attached to me right now. I don't know if she knows that I'm about to have a baby or what, but she is so attached to me lately. Hey guys, what is up? Today is Tuesday the 25th, and we are 36 weeks pregnant tomorrow. So here we are, 36 weeks pregnant, and we got the baby kicking a little bit on camera. Later that day, I went and got my lashes done. They look so good. It's Friday. I'm 36 weeks and 2 days. So I just went and took a shower. I feel a lot better now. I'm just going to let my hair continue to dry. And so, yeah, I went and got my 36-week appointment done and over with. They did the Group B strep test, and they did like a test for, I think it was like gonorrhea or something again. I don't know. But honestly, the strep B test with like the swab or whatever hurt worse than a little, clamp thing that goes in there for when they test you for the gonorrhea or whatever. But yeah, everything came back good. Baby's heart rate is good. My belly's growing good. And yeah, so it's a waiting game now. So I've been doing like a lot of like cleaning and stuff around the apartment and trying to like move stuff around. So the baby swing's obviously over there. I moved the plant over here, and I put our mirror here. It still looks dirty, but I washed it off. Here's a baby bump. But yeah, I moved that here. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I don't really have much space to put it anywhere else. So stop. You got zoomies? You got lots of energy. I didn't even do anything. She is so funny. I have my raspberry leaf tea right here, and I'm just gonna go chill, drink some tea. But yeah, we are almost 37 weeks. Me? I'm trying to take a nap. Yes, I am. Few contractions and a little bit of like cramping, but that's really about it. So, and then I will check back in with you guys after that. Okay, I'm sorry, it's really hot in here. We're in like a parking garage and it's really hot, but I just got out of the doctor's office. They said I am 2 centimeters dilated, so that's better than none. And if I start having like a lot of contractions or my water breaks or anything like that, to call the hospital and go on in. So it's just a waiting game. My blood pressure looked good, baby's heart rate looked good, all that jazz. So